Welcome to our YouTube channel called the Kilimo Hub Group, and welcome to our office located in Sumbawanga town, also called the Kilimo Hub Group. Kilimo Hub Group will provide different service, especially extension service in agriculture, livestock keeping, and fisheries. Also, we provide the service of market and the marketing of agricultural goods and services. Also, we provide the market information to farmers. Today, let's talk about dairy management. Dairy management is good for farmers because this education is going to unlock problems that face dairy farmers. Let's start with the meaning of dairying. Dairying is keeping of livestock in order to produce milk and milk products. Cattle which are kept in order to produce milk and milk products are called dairy cattle. Other livestock which may be kept for milk production are goats and buffaloes. In Tanzania, most of milk is obtained from cattle. Let's talk about the rule of dairying in Tanzania. Dairying has an important role in Tanzania. Dairy is important for the following ways. The first one is dairy provides milk for growing children and adults. The most suitable food for human babies is milk. The milk for a baby is that which is obtained from the mother. For some reason, some mothers secrete much less milk than that which is required by their baby. The milk cattle or goats can be fed to babies. When the milk is fed to babies, it supplements their mother's milk, which is rich in protein, fats, sugar, and minerals. For this reason, it is good for babies. The second role of dairying is dairying supply milk products. Milk can be processed into various products. Such products include butter, ghee, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. All of these products are nutritious, which when human beings eat them, their health improves. The third one is dairying provide manure. Dairy cattle provide manure. Cow dung is good organic manure. When cow dung is applied to the soil in the farm, soil fertility improves. The fourth one is dairy provide employment. People who keep dairy cattle get employment. Such people can also employ other people to look after cattle. In this way, dairy provide employment for some people. The fifth one is dairy can provide foreign exchange. If we produce a lot of dairy products such as butter, ghee, and cheese, it is possible to export and sell surplus dairy products to other countries. If we sell dairy products to other countries, we shall get foreign exchange. When then use the foreign exchange to buy goods from other countries. Let's talk also about the limitation to dairy industry in Tanzania. The dairy industry in Tanzania is developing gradually. The main factors limiting the dairy industry in Tanzania are as follows. The first one, low production potential of local breeds. Local breeds of cattle, especially sheep, are well adapted to the environment of Tanzania. However, the ability to produce milk is low. On average, they do not produce much milk. The second limitation of dairy in dairy industry, shortage of foreign exchange. to purchase exotic dairy cattle. One way of improving milk production in Tanzania would be to import large numbers of high-yielding exotic dairy cattle. However, Tanzania has a shortage of foreign exchange. For this reason, only a limited number of exotic dairy cattle can be imported at a time. The third one is presence of tsetse flies and the ticks. Tsetse flies and the ticks are found in most areas of Tanzania. Tsetse flies transmit trypanosomiasis. Ticks transmit diseases such as anaplasmosis, East Coast fever, and red water. Tsetse flies and the ticks therefore make livestock keeping rather difficult in most areas of Tanzania. First one, presence of many livestock disease and parasite. Many livestock diseases occur at one time and another in different parts of Tanzania. Such diseases include foot and mouth disease, anthrax, tuberculosis, black quarter, rinderpest, and Jones disease. Internal parasites such as worm and flax are also commonly occur in different parts of country. Disease and the parasite limit livestock country. The fifth one is inadequate nutrition for the animals. Most cattle in Tanzania are raised in natural pastures. The natural pastures do not provide enough food for the livestock. Both quantity and the quality of pasture is low. This is especially so during the dry season, since cattle do not get enough feeds. Their milk production is low. Inadequate nutrition sometimes also causes nutrition deficiency disorders in livestock. The sixth one is most livestock keeping have poor knowledge of good animal husbandry. Most of livestock owners in the country do not know good principles and practice of livestock husbandry. For this reason, they do not manage their animals well. As a result, productivity of the animals is low. The third party, let's talk about the characteristic of good dairy cattle. If you want to start a dairy cattle project, you must know the characteristic of good dairy cattle. Let's talk about not all cows are good dairy cattle. A good dairy cow is which has the following characteristic. The first one, wedge-shaped body. Cow with the wedge-shaped body is narrow at the front and broad at the back, and this is the meaning of wedge-shaped body. Such cow has large stomach. A cow with large stomach can eat and store a lot of food in the stomach. The food is then digested for use in the body. Some of the food converted into milk. A cow which eats a lot of food can produce much more milk than a cow which eats only a small amount of food. A cow with wedge-shaped body is therefore good for dairy cow. The second characteristic of good dairy cattle is good udder. A good dairy cow has good udder. A good udder is an udder which is firmly attached to the body and is well suspended. The third one is ability to secrete a lot of milk. A good dairy cow contains genes for high milk production. If the parents of cow were high milk yielders, it is likely that the cow also contains genes for high milk production. First one, fertile and calve regular. A good cow is fertile. Such a cow calves at least once every year. A cow produces milk only after it calves. If cow does not bear calf, it is not able to produce milk. The fifth one is docile temperament. A good dairy cow is docile. A docile cow is easy to manage, and a cow which is not docile may hurt people who handle it. Such a cow is not easy to handle. A docile cow is easy to handle. The sixth one is quick milk letdown. A good cow has quick milk letdown. This means that once you start milking such a cow, it lets the milk come out of the udder quite easily and quickly. The seventh one is milk with high content of butterfat and protein. A good dairy cow produces milk containing a good quantity of butterfat and protein. Milk which contains more than 3.5% butterfat and protein is good quality. The eighth one is long lactation period. A good dairy cow is one which has long lactation period. A lactation period is the period during which a cow secretes milk. A standard lactation period at least 3 and 500 days. A good dairy cow is one which secretes milk for many days as possible during each lactation period. Each lactation period should be close to 305 days. A cow which with long lactation period secretes much more milk than a cow with short lactation period. 9. Resistance to some disease and parasite. A good dairy cow is one which is resistant to common livestock disease and parasite which are present in the area where the cow is kept. The 10th is tolerance to high atmospheric temperature. A good dairy cow is a one which has the ability to tolerate tropical atmospheric temperature. Tropical temperature are generally high. High temperature tend to cause heat stress in the cattle. A good cow is a one which can, to a great extent, tolerate high atmospheric temperature. The last one is freedom from venereal and other infection disease. A good dairy cow is free from infectious venereal disease. Some venereal disease cause infertility in cow. A good dairy cow is also free from other infection, example tuberculosis and brucellosis. Milk which is secreted by a cow which is suffering from tuberculosis, it is important to know the types of dairy cattle. Which there are five main dairy cattle which are kept in Tanzania. The first one is Friesian, Jess, Guns, Ashar, and Brown Swiss. The other group consists of breeds which are suitable for both milk production and beef production. Such breeds are said to be dual-purpose. Dual-purpose breed of cattle include Sahiwa and Mpwapwa. Let's talk about the characteristic of each cattle. Let's start with Friesian. Friesian cattle originated from Holland. They have black and white marking on the skin. The bottom parts of the body, the legs and the switch are usually white and in color. Friesian cattle are bigger in body size than most other breeds of dairy cattle. The cow produce a lot of milk. They produce more milk than cow of other breeds. On average, one Friesian cow can produce over 3,000 kg per lactation of milk per lactation. The milk of Friesian cows has low butterfat.
The body
content.
color of cattle
The second
of this
breed
is
yellowish
Jesse.
brown or
Jesse
fawn
cattle
color.
originated
The cattle
from
are small
an
animals.
island
Their bodies are wedge-shaped with a level top. Cattle of this breed can do well even in area with large hot climate. On average, the cow produces slightly above 2 and 300 kg of milk per lactation. The milk has a lot of butterfat. It contains over 3.5% butterfat and is yellowish in color. The third breed is Guernsey. Guernsey cattle originated from the Guernsey Island in English Channel. These cattle are brown-red in color. On the most part of the body, the bottom parts of the body and the legs may be white in color. The horn normally point onward and forward. On average, the cow produces slightly over 2 and 500 kg of milk and per lactation. The milk contains over 3.5 butterfat percent. The fourth one is Ayrshire. Ayrshire cattle is originated from Scotland. This cattle has red and white patches on the skin. Ayrshire cattle can withstand drought to some extent. The cow produces more milk than Guernsey cows. The milk has butterfat content of more than 3.5%. The last one is Brown Swiss. Brown Swiss cattle originated from Switzerland in Europe. The animals are brownish in color. The cow are good milk producers. Let's talk about due purpose. A due purpose is Mpwapwa breed. The Mpwapwa breed of cattle was developed at Mpwapwa Livestock Breeding Station. Cattle of this breed are mostly brownish in color. Each has big ears which face downward. The face of each animal is rather long and slightly protrude outside. On average, the female weight about 400 kg. Each lactating cow can secrete average of 1,500 up to 2,000 liters per lactation. Mpwapwa cattle thrive well in semi-arid area of Tanzania such as Shinyanga, Dodoma, Mwanza, Tabora, and Singida region. The last one is Sahiwa. Sahiwa cattle originated from tropical Asia. Cattle of this breed are resistant to some tropical diseases. They have reddish brown or fawn color. Sahiwa cattle can do well even in area with poor quality pastures, as they are resistant to some YouTube channel, Kilimo Hub Group, that will provide you a lot of knowledge about livestock keeping, fish keeping, beekeeping, and production of different crops. Also, you can reach through our office located in Sumbawanga region, or you can reach us through our phone number written on the screen. You see. You are welcome.